Agents gave the model judgment. But it still only knows what it was trained on. RAG-G lets it answer using your own data instead.
RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This means finding relevant information, adding it directly to the prompt, and generating a grounded answer.
Every RAG pipeline follows the same 5 stages. Load your document, split it into chunks, embed them, store them, then retrieve and generate.
First, read the raw text file, wrap it as a document, then split it into smaller overlapping chunks the model can retrieve later.
An embedding model converts each chunk of text into a vector, numbers that capture meaning, so similar ideas end up close together.
All those vectors are stored in Chroma, a vector database built for fast similarity search across every chunk.
When a user asks something, their question is embedded too, then compared against every stored vector to find the closest matching chunks.
The retrieved chunks and the user's question both slot into this single template, giving the model everything it needs in one prompt.
The language model now answers using the retrieved context instead of guessing from memory, producing a grounded, source-backed response. Using LCEL, retriever, prompt, model, and output parser combine into one composable chain you can invoke with a single line. Every piece we just built, loading, splitting, embedding, storing, retrieving, and generating, comes together into this one complete script.
RAG lets your app answer from private documents and current information, while reducing hallucinations by grounding every answer in real sources. That completes LangChain Fundamentals. You've gone from a first chat model to agents that reason and RAG that grounds them in real data.